Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, and by title you would have guessed that in this video I'll be reviewing a product which is a latest launch from the brand Lakme, and this is none other than Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. And I am in the shade 02 Beige Vanilla, and this is the foundation which I'm currently rocking right now, and I've worn this previously as well in order to give you a review. And I have just put a bit of blusher and a bit of contouring. That's it. No powder, nothing is required onto your face. So if you want to know my take on Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation, then keep on watching. So let's review Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. So the tube comes into a carton like this, which is rose gold, which I pretty much love it. I love the rose gold trend. The rose gold trend is rocking since 2015 and it still continues. And it looks pretty, doesn't it? So it comes into a box like this, and over here they have not mentioned anything about the ingredient, which I really didn't like, because if you are allergic to something you won't get to know about it. So that's thumbs down. Apart from that, they have mentioned the shade over here in a sticker format. Yeah, it's a sticker which is 02 Beige Vanilla. That's my shade. And over here they have the logo of Hindustan Unilever Limited, which is a firm which owns Lakme, which runs Lakme. And over here they have mentioned about the foundation, that is, this formula feels soft and incredibly weightless and provides the desired coverage for daily use. It blends effortlessly onto skin to conceal imperfections with a matte finish that stays throughout the day. A foundation so lightweight you may forget you are wearing any foundation at all, suitable for all skin types. And over here they have their toll-free number, net ingredient price, which is 575 rupees, and their address. That's it when it comes about the packaging, the things which are mentioned on the carton. And now talking about the tube. Again, it's a tube which is in rose gold, which I absolutely love. I love the tube thing more compared to that, Lakme Absolute and Ball, because it is more hygienic. Even foundations which has pump, I feel like they are more hygienic. So thumbs up for that. Again, talking about here, they have not mentioned ingredient, which I didn't like, and they have asked you use before 24 months from the packaging. And what exactly this foundation is, your shade is mentioned over here, which is 02 Beige Vanilla. Even the price is mentioned over here, and the packaging date is mentioned, which is 11/2015. Now, and over here, as you guys can see, this looks like this, which is a beautiful packaging. So I like the packaging in terms of color, tube, hygiene, and it's sleek, so it can fit into your bag. And since it's not a glass bottle, so you don't have to worry about it's getting breaked. So that's a thumbs up. Now talking about the coverage, it gives you minimum coverage. I feel like that, though you will see in the clip, like I'm gonna put a demo that I've applied this foundation twice. Like once I applied it, and again, in order to get the coverage. However, the coverage is not that much, it's not buildable. I felt like that. So in order to that, it doesn't conceal more. Like if you are having lots of dark circles, lots of blemishes, dark circle, or pimple, acne scars or anything, it's not going to conceal that, which I really didn't like, because I have a dark circle issue and it really didn't work onto that. So I feel like I have to apply concealer after using this in order to conceal those dark circles. So in terms of concealing things, I really didn't like. It has a coverage like BB cream, CC cream, nothing great, nothing like a foundation. So thumbs down in terms of concealing, but however in terms of texture, it is so lightweight the moment you apply onto your face, and you can actually feel like as if you have not applied anything onto your face. It's so lightweight, it's so easy to blend. I absolutely love this product. However, I will suggest you guys not to use brush or sponge in order to apply this foundation. Use your finger, because your finger will work amazingly in order to blend this product. Now talking about the shades availability, they have only 4 shades, which really didn't work because initially I got the shade 1, which I thought like was very white for me, extremely white. So I just went on in order to get like because that retailer person was not having shade number 2, I asked him, so he got it for me. So they have only 4 shades, so people, you know, with a darker skin tone, it will be a bit difficult for them to get a perfect match for you. So that is a thumbs down. They really have to work in terms of shade availability. And it gives you matte finish. Yes, absolutely, it gives you matte finish. So if you are a oily person, it will work for you. However, if you are a dry person and in this winter you are getting those dry patches, I am an oily person, but due to winter, you know, I'm getting a bit dry over here, particularly in my mouth area. So I really moisturize my skin a lot before applying this foundation. And the moisturizer I will recommend to each and every one of you, if you are an oily person or if you are a dry person, it's Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. It really works it really works great onto anybody's skin. Now forget that, talking about this foundation, it really gives you matte finish. So if you are a dry person, you really have to moisturize your skin very nicely before applying this foundation. And staying power, I guess it's maximum 3 to 4 hours, nothing more than that. I feel like that, and I'm a person, when I use a foundation, I prefer it to be like whole day. If you are in office, it should look like fresh. You should look fresh when you are back from your office, and when you see yourself in the mirror, you should feel like, okay, the foundation is still there, but this doesn't. So it's more like a BB cream and CC cream to me. So in terms of coverage, I feel the price is more, 575 rupees. I don't know why I feel like if they would have costed, like if it would have costed between 200 to 300, that would have been fine. If lesser than that, it would have been great, obviously. So price wise, no, not at all. I didn't like 575 for this. No, I'm not gonna pay. I would rather get a foundation from Maybelline rather than getting this one. So that's my take. But if you are looking forward for a foundation and you don't have that much blemishes or acne scars onto your skin, then you can definitely try this, because it has a very nice texture, and apart from that, it looks very natural and you don't have any scars issue in order to conceal it, so you can go for it. So out of 5 stars, I'm gonna give 3. I'm gonna reduce 2, because first of all, the price, they could have come down. Second thing, concealing power, because it doesn't conceal that much. It really didn't work for my dark circles, so nah. And third thing, which I didn't like about the foundation, is the staying power. I really didn't like, because they would have actually come up with like Lakme 925 BB weightless mousse BB cream, something like that, rather than putting in foundation. That's my thing, what I felt like that. So it's my take on to Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation. I hope it was helpful, and would I recommend it to you? Yes, I will, in terms if you don't have blemishes in order to conceal and all, and your skin is pretty much perfect, then you can definitely try this. But if you have blemishes and you really want to conceal that, then try to avoid. Don't put your 575 rupees for this foundation. That's my take. Now, if you are wondering what lipstick am I rocking right now, then I have put Miss Claire Glamour Stick for lips in Floral Pink. This is the lip liner which I have used, and the lipstick which I am rocking is from, again, I just thought, you know, just to put a Lakme lipstick. So this one is Lakme 925 in Pink Slip. It's a beautiful shade. As you guys can see, it's more towards nude. However, I feel like this shade somewhere in between. White, is it? Yellow, sorry. Is it? I don't know. So I hope the video was helpful, the review was helpful to you guys. Let me know what is your suggestion about this foundation. I'm gonna try it again by using concealer in order to conceal my dark circles, and that's it. I hope, again I'm gonna say, I hope the review was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below what else you guys want to see from my side, and how you, if you have used this foundation, what you exactly feel about the foundation in terms of price and everything. Price, concealing, coverage, staying power and everything. Let me know about your takes as well, so that I can read, and I always read your comments. I always reply. If you have ever commented, you would have definitely known. So I guess that's it. Let me know what else you guys want to see from my side. I know my skincare routine is something which you guys are requesting a lot. Surely I'm gonna do that, and even there's a request in terms of nail cream suggestions. I will do that as well, so don't worry about it. Videos are coming soon. And I guess that's it for this video. I hope 2016 is going so far good for you guys. I hope it brings prosperity, love, success and everything whatever you have desired in your life. At the last I say, take care and stay pretty.